Хоп, виж една червена точка.
Да.
Това значи, че записваш видео в момента. Не мърдай много камера.
Ето го там мамата, дето работи на смешния компютър. Хей! Пупи, лупи, пупи, муки, муки, юки, юки, ник, нук.
Здрасти!
Здрасти! Айде сега да отидем в
Това е
моя...
депето на Лора. Лора, газето с памперс.
Дупето на Лора.
И вътре има съкровища. Айде ходим на разходка, но...
Не, айде сега да ходим в моята...
Ти ще снимаш
в моята стая и да снимем и да направим видео, че както Лора е на моето легло.
Не. Сега аз отивам да се облека.
I wanted to give her this course of the BBC to not to blind type, but since you'll never, none of you can give a direct answer to the question that is asked, but have to go.
Okay, it's my fault that she didn't answer to your letter. Did she understand what you're asking her?
No. And I waited for you to help me explain.
I told her.
Мамо, какво става? Гъзъчи! Само се гъзиш! Yes?
Telephone.
Yes?
See the pictures that Tabata took.
Okay.
Look.
Two pictures.
Oh. Who is this child that is so much smiling here? And and this one.
Okay.
And finished. And who is the hero play ping pong?
I am the... Hey, what's this? I did video. Oh, what are the goodness? Da.
Mama! Come for a second.
What's that?
Don't you see that it's too small?
No, I think it's very sexy.
Come for another second.
I see from here.
These shoes are very nice, you said? Don't you think it's a little bit small?
No.
How do you think Noah Abata with these clothes?
Oh, okay.